Insulation of an existing attic during renovation. Mineral wool is loosened mechanically. The insulation flakes are blown upwards through hoses using air pressure. Mineral wool flakes are blown onto the existing insulation. The loose insulation can be easily blown onto the surface. Processing with the machine shortens working time. This blown-in insulation is non-flammable and highly thermally insulating. Even large areas can be insulated quickly. Reduce your heating costs. Ask us about insulation and insulation technology. Did you know that our blown-in insulation can be used not only in attics, but also in many other areas? Insulate your cavity walls, timber frame walls, flat or domed roofs with our insulation flakes. Click on our website for more information.